Welcome to Rajiv Gandhi Nature Park at Marayoor. Just to let you know, Marayoor is a town in Devikulam Taluk of Idukki district and it is located 42 kilometers away from the popular hill station Munnar. The main attraction of this park is a very old and large banyan tree that provides a vast canopy. This banyan tree by itself can be a good picnic spot for the tourists. Please note that this is a single banyan tree, even though it appears that there are many trees and they are combined with each other. Let us now explore this banyan tree in detail. Hope you enjoyed watching this tree. Marayoor is famous for its natural sandalwood forests, ancient dolmens, rock paintings, and many more. In the next video, we will take a drive from Munnar to Marayoor through the sandalwood forest. Until then, bye bye.